Picture this, we're all lunging around with an invisible box. It's like life's own backpack, getting heavier and heavier each day with the ups and downs that we face. Now, if you could think of this box as having 4 sections, kind of like a pizza sliced into 4, and each slice stands for something crucial in our lives: our health, our wealth, relationships, and happiness. You know that sometimes we get super focused on just one part of our lives, right? We might feel good about it and even super proud, but that's not the whole picture. It doesn't give us that warm, fuzzy feeling of satisfaction that comes from having a balanced life in all areas of our life. Here on this YouTube channel, my goal is to help you understand and how every part of your life matters. I want to help you make choices that feel right, not just out of desperation or last-ditch efforts to making something work. I'm here to guide you towards a life that feels 100% you. A full body, yes, kind of life. Together, let's make everything you've ever dreamed of a reality. Hello, beautiful souls. I am Sinead Acevedo. Why listen to me? Well, first off, I've been a chef for more than 10 years. I've got a bunch of great tips and ideas that I can't wait to share with you to make a whole body diet that works for you and your family. Beyond the kitchen, I'm also trained neuro-linguistic programming, NLP, and meditation. So we'll be diving deep into how the mind works and how we can utilize it to really live our full body, yes, lives. When it comes to the soul, well, primarily I'm a mom, and honestly, motherhood, as you know, opens a whole new dimension of connecting with your inner core. This channel is all about my personal journey towards aligning mind, body, and soul. I'm here to share my insights, experiences, and learnings with you. So make sure you subscribe so you can join me towards a life that's more conscious, nourishing, and spiritually rich. A full body, yes, life.